Every morning brings a new ray of hope, energy, and positivity. And our Sunshine Assembly begins with the perfect blend of movement and motivation. With enthusiasm and bright smiles, our students came together for an energetic exercise session, filling the morning with power, discipline, and excitement. As they stretched, moved, and followed every step with confidence, they learned the importance of staying active and healthy. Each exercise reflected teamwork, focus, and determination. The cheerful atmosphere, synchronized movements, and positive energy created a wonderful start to the day. Sunshine Assembly is a celebration of fitness where young minds refresh their energy, strengthen their bodies, and prepare themselves for a successful day ahead. Because every move matters, every effort counts, and every child shines brighter with a healthy beginning.